You're obsessed with it in Credit Karma and in this Gloss Genius. It's a Gloss Genius anyway.
It's literally a booking app, but they send me stupid notifications. It's like, we can help you in your small business.
And guess what? You're stupid for accepting them.
Yeah. I thought at the time midnight, I was making a great decision by buying this gel polish. And it's wonderful. It's beautiful on my wall.
Oh, good.
But
on the wall instead of on people's nails. That's fantastic. So good. I'm so glad.
It has to be stored somewhere. It's stored on the wall.
Yeah, but you realize what you just had. Come on. That was like in your brain.
It's beautiful on people's nails.
That was in the back of your brain. You know it.
It's great on people's nails. That's just all my. So every time
Good. So we owe 2,000 essentially, 2,100. And what's your like minimum monthly? Do you even know?
So I have to pay at least $266 every 60 days. So this is how that loan specifically works. Is that
$133 a month? Okay.
So every time I charge like a credit card or a debit card like through the app. Like if somebody pays with a card, they take out like 30% of that charge. So I'm never like outright paying for the loan, like as far as like a monthly payment.
That's insane, dude.
So it takes out
That's insane. That's so much less control of your money. This is a bad product.
Yeah, I'm coming to realize that as I have noticed my income decreasing.
Okay. Whoa. Repayment rate is 30% per transaction?
Yeah.
So every transaction
to
get to it, 60-day minimum, 266. Okay, I marked you as 133 a month, but
so I technically pay more than that towards it. That's just like if I don't hit I know. They just pull it directly from my bank account.
I know. Indigo, another Indigo 2, the sequel. We're back with more monthly fees.
That was a different one. Monthly fees. That haven't even put anything on that card.
It doesn't matter if you have the Indigo.
Oh yeah, it has the monthly fee like $9. Yeah.
Close this card. You have nothing on it, and it's paying. You're being charged $10 just to have this card. Close it. It's stupid. Why give yourself another subscription? This is a third of your Netflix bill almost. So, but you have 2 of them, so it's almost your entire Netflix bill just to be lucky enough to have those cards. What?
I just opened another card to like.
Right now? That I don't have?
No. That one is the card that I opened to show that I to give myself more like credit limit that I haven't spent.
Your credit limit. That's not how you operate. You always get to your credit limit. That will be in the coming months unless you change that. That's how you operate in life. How have you not realized that? This is a behavior thing.
Yeah, I guess
this is all you not being able to manage your money, not being able to build a budget, not being able to control what comes in and where it goes, set aside money for taxes, be able to pay bills on time and not make late fees and have enough money in your checking account to pay the bills.
Yeah. So I've been like thinking that the more I take out, well, I was trying to be more cautious with that card. I actually don't carry that card with me, so I don't spend on it.
Oh,
like,
come
not
on.
In my Apple.
Know you're going to get it.
I'm not.
You know. You are a walking example of exactly what's going to happen in your own life.
Okay.
Either way, what is the point of having a 36% interest card that costs $10 a month to even have? That's stupid. That's bad money.